Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is day number 38. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I upload a new video. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So for those of you just tuning in, I'm promoting ClickBank products using a program called My Lead Gen Secrets. You can get signed up to My Lead Gen Secrets by clicking on the link right below this video. What it is it's a program where you can pay $1 a day and they will give you 100 leads every single day as long as you pay $1. So for $1 a day, I'm getting 100 leads. Now, the case studies that I have seen doing this have had at least 5 accounts. They recommend at least 2 accounts. So that's what I'm doing. I have 2 accounts. And the purpose of this is my first account now gets 200 leads every single day for $1 because I signed up my second account underneath my first account. So I break it all down in the very first video of this playlist. So if you click on the playlist below this video, it'll take you back all the way to the very first video where I slowly explain why we're using multiple accounts and how to set up the accounts. So go back and watch that video so you can get your accounts set up. And guess we're ready to check our results from yesterday. So let's get started. So I'm going to sign in to ClickBank. There's a link to ClickBank down low as well. All right, so for the 8th, we do not have a sale. How many? So I'm going to click on account name. We did not get a sale. So we made $30.09 last week, and I guess it's just let's see. I guess this is the start. Nope, yesterday. Yep, the 8th. So we're doing the results for the 8th. So the 8th is the beginning of the new week. Alrighty. So I'm just going to click on reporting up here. I'm just going to check some stats real quick. So I got 5,511 hops. 511 hops. That was $0. And no sales. Okay, so I got my stat sheet all caught up. I'm going to sign in to my Lead Gen Secrets. All right. Now I'm going to click on by tracking ID because I just want to check to see how my accounts are doing. They're still... All right. My second account needs to get some sales this month. It was kind of keeping up with my first account last month. All right, so now I'm going to find another product to promote. We done promoted, I think it's called Social Paid this past week. So now it's time to find another product to promote. We're going to move on to something else. So I'm going to come up here and click on Marketplace up here at the top right here in the middle. Now the only category that these leads will work for, the one and only category, is this e-marketing and e-business. These leads will not work for anything else. So be sure that if you're doing this to click on e-business and e-marketing. I had to check, make sure my mic was on. It is. Whew. All right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to come up here and sort results by gravity. We're going to change it from rank to gravity. So this is the product we just promoted. So now we're going to come down and promote this next one. So social media marketing. All right, so I'm going to click on affiliate page right here. And it's going to open a new tab with all the affiliate things that we can use to promote the product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on email swipes. I can't remember where we stopped at whenever we promoted this last time. So I'm just going to start with email 11. I know we emailed some over here. So I'm just going to come over here to the right side this time. Email 11. Website chat assistant job, $270 a day. I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Click on mailing system. select all. And I'm going to scroll down to where it says subject, and I'm going to paste the subject in right there. Website chat assistant job, $275 per day. I'm going to scroll down to the body, and I'm going to select everything and just erase it. I'm going to come back over here, right under where it says body. I'm going to copy everything to where it's till it says signature. Do not copy that hop link down there. So you'll just copy that, come over here, and paste it. And the way to paste in here is hit Control V. If you hit right click to paste, it won't let you. So you just have to hit Control V. I got this little trick I like to do where I type 0, 1 through 9, and I do that 4 times. And the reason for that is I don't want my email stretching out too much further past that. So wherever I stop counting, that's where I kind of want my emails to kind of cut off. I don't want it stretching out as far as it does. So I know around the word chat and people and the word are, I'm going to start a new line. I'm just going to highlight all that, open up my notepad. I like to do it in my notepad. So what did I say around chat? Okay. I just do this just to make the emails look more professional, especially if somebody's checking their emails on their phone. It looks a lot better when you break it down like this than it does letting the sentences run on forever. But you do not have to do this step. This is just something that I do. Oh, what did I just hit? I just hit something. Okay. All right, so I'm going to select all of that, copy it, and I'm going to highlight everything in here, and I'm going to paste over that. So I just pasted what I just copied from my notepad into here. Now we got some editing to do where it says name. We're going to come up here. They have these codes. So anytime it says name, just come up here and grab the code for the first name. Copy it and replace where it says name with the code that you just copied. So I'll hit Control V to paste. All right, so we just need to change the signature to our name. Make sure this perfect timing box is checked. Now we need to go get our affiliate links and put them in our email, so that way whenever people click on that link and they end up buying, that's how we get commissions. So we're going to come back to the marketplace over here. This is the product we're promoting, the live chat jobs. So we're going to hit promote. Now what is required is your account nickname. So make sure you created an account nickname and make sure that your account nickname is showing up right here and that it's accurately spelled. And for the tracking ID, for the people that want to track, this is optional. This is not required. Since we're using my lead gen secrets, I like to use MLGS. And I'll just leave it like that for my first profile. Now they're giving us 2 options that we can use for this. We can send them to this page where this guy will talk about what they're about to get. He'll explain it in the video. Or we could send them, my right click ain't working, to another page. It just looks like there it goes. It just looks like an application, and then they can click to apply. I'm going to do the video for the first few days. So I'm just going to hit the default one. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to click on create hop link. So that just created my hop link. So now this little blue button right here, I can click on it. It says copy. It's right below my videos, right to the far right. And it'll tell you your hop link is copied. So I'm going to come back to the mailing system. And I'm going to find places to insert this email. Like right here where it says click here to complete your application if you're interested. Highlight that whole sentence. Then come up here to where this little link is, or you can hit Control L and it'll pop up this little window. Now you can enter your affiliate link and then click OK. Now there's probably somewhere else where I can enter this. Right here. Click here to complete your application now. So I'll just highlight that. Click on the link right here. Paste that in just like that. Then click OK. Now, next to the send button, there's a red button that says preview. I like to preview just to make sure my links are in there. That link worked. That link worked. Also make sure your name is there and that you got this changed up here. Everything looks good. So I'm going to hit close and I'll just hit send email. And now I'm going to log into my second account and send out emails through my second account. And notice that I can't send out another email through this account for another 23 hours. You can only email your people once a day through this system. So here's the cool way and the quickest way to send emails using your second account, so you don't have to do all of those. You don't have to insert the links again. You won't have to edit your name again. You won't have to enter this code again. So the quickest way to do that is you're not going to log out. You're going to stay signed in. Come up here to this tab that says mailing system. Right click on it and then hit duplicate. Now you can sign out. Now log out. You got two pages up here. You got two of them saying mailing system. Log out of the one on the right. Now you're going to log in on your second account. Then we're just going to repeat the steps. We're going to click on mailing system, select all. Now for the subject, we could just come back over here to the first tab now. Grab the subject, highlight it, copy it, paste it right here in the subject line. Scroll down, erase everything. Oops. Erase everything in that box. Now come back to the first tab, highlight everything, hit Control A to highlight, select all, then Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Now make sure the perfect timing box is checked. Now for those of you that are using tracking links like I am, all you have to do is just double click on that blue line and it'll pop up this box. You can just add I add a number 2 for my second account, so I know it's my second account. So I'll just put the number 2 at the end, click OK, come back up to this other link, do the same thing, hit the number 2, click OK, hit preview and make sure that my links work now that I added the number 2 in the back. All right, and they work. So I am ready to close this and send the email out. Oh, I forgot to select my leads. Or no, I forgot the subject line. That's what I forgot. How did I forget that? So copy and paste. Okay. All right, so I'm ready to send the email. And that's that. So this is a pretty easy tool to use. It does cost $30 to sign up each account. So if you sign up 2 accounts, that's $60 you have to pay. $30 is the one-time fee. After that, it's $1 a day. So be sure to check out the link, get signed up, go sell some ClickBank products. Also, be sure to come check out if I got a sell. Come check me out tomorrow. Come see the results, see if I got a sell. Thank you all for tuning in, and you all take care and have a very good day. Thank you.